Welcome to the HAZMAT Transportation Awareness online training course by OSHA Outreach Courses. In just 11 minutes, this course builds critical awareness to help prevent spills, releases, injuries, environmental damage, and costly violations. Inside this course, you'll learn why hazardous materials are used every day and why moving them safely is such a serious responsibility. You'll gain insight into the types of materials considered hazardous, the risks they pose, and why transportation incidents can affect workers, communities, property, and the environment. The course explains how hazardous materials move by highway, rail, air, vessel, and pipeline, and why most incidents occur during transport rather than at fixed facilities. You'll also learn how markings, labels, and vehicle placards act as critical warning systems, instantly identifying the presence and type of hazards involved. Most importantly, the training introduces the role of federal regulations, including hazardous materials regulations, and explains why proper training, documentation, and communication are required before hazardous materials ever move. This course helps you recognize hazardous materials during transport, understand why markings and placards matter, reduce the risk of spills, releases, and exposure, improve awareness of regulatory responsibilities, support OSHA and DOT-aligned safety practices. Awareness is the first step in preventing major incidents. Once you complete the course, you'll receive your certificate of completion, demonstrating your understanding of HAZMAT Transportation Awareness and your commitment to safety. Improve hazardous materials transportation awareness, reduce spill and exposure risks, and protect workers and communities with fast, effective OSHA-aligned HAZMAT training. To enroll now, simply click the link in the description and sign up for the course.
Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to OSHA Outreach Courses.